Hi, I'm Mariah from Elite Arts Dance Academy, and you're about to learn something amazing. Follow me. Today we are going to do a double pullback. So when we do these, we're going to have our weight in our toes and lean forward just a little bit. So it's essentially like a back flap for us. Spank, step, fast. And it all happens at the same time. So we jump a little bit and then da 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 da. Here we go. Again. Nice and slow. Da 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 da. Right. Da 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 da. Fast again. Now from the back so you can see. Fast. Two in a row. You just learned something amazing. Thanks for joining us today. Awesome job. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and we'll catch you next time.